Okay, last video we got chance to walk through entire readme.md file. The readme.md file is the one where we have all our course content. So this is what the readme.md file, the main page of our GitHub repository. There we explained what is exactly our course content. For quick accessibility purpose, those videos also I posted here. This is the one video. This is the second video, third video, fourth video I kept here so that quickly you can access the course content walkthrough or the flow of the Power BI, where we are starting, where we are ending, everything we explained in the last video. Those are videos I kept here for our reference. Now, go to the next one. All our material is available inside the notebooks. So we are going to the notebooks folder. Inside the notebooks folder, we have the first lesson. We need to go for introduction and installation. There is a data warehousing concepts also available. Whenever time came for that, I am going to explain that. Time being, directly we are moving on to introduction and installation. So let's go for introduction and installation. In the introduction portion, most of the things we covered already, but however, we'll try to walk through very quickly. So what is BI? Everyone knows BI stands for Business Intelligence. Is a process that converts raw data into meaningful information. For example, if you take yesterday our example, we have the customer table is a one raw data, product table is a one raw data, fact table is a one raw data. From that, we created a meaningful information. We created what are the top 10 products which are giving more revenue to me? Who are the top 10 customers who are paying more revenue to me? Like that, I'm able to get the meaningful information. I'm able to get it. Based on this meaningful information, for those 10 products, I can invest more amount. I can invest more amount because those 10 products are performing very good in the market. I can invest more amount and I can drive the business in the profitable way. I can drive the business. So we are taking the raw data and we're creating meaningful information. We are creating from that meaningful information, we are going to take some kind of actions, maybe investing more amount and getting the profits we are trying to understand about it. So BA is about getting the meaningful information. Based on the meaningful information, our business people will invest more or will take the decisions. Then we are going to drive the business in a profitable way. We are going to drive it. That's what the meaning of what is BA. Now, do you know any BA tools means? Yes, we do aware of it. We have so many tools, Power BI, Tableau, Cognos, like that, a number of things. I did not document it here. There are so many other tools also available apart from what I documented here. Still, we decided to go for BA tool that is known as Power BI. The reason behind is in Gartner report or in the Forrester report, both the cases, the Power BI is given as the first #1 place, leaders position it's given. That meaning this tool is very convenient, cost wise, usage wise, number of products wise, and number of parameters they'll consider and they'll tell which tool is performing best in the market. Both the company's research is talking about Microsoft Power BI is the best product in the market. That's what it's talking about. There is reason we also want to get our career in a good path, good BI tool. That's what we choose in Power BI we choose in. Then what is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics tool, okay, that lets you visualize your data and share insights across your organization or embed them in your app or website. So once you develop your visualization, you can share to anyone, or you can take that report, whatever available, and you can integrate that one into your standard website, whatever available. There we can embed that one. There is a facility is available. And you know already we published that as an app also we published it. Okay. Now connect to hundreds of data sources. Yesterday we worked in the demo class with SQL Server as a source we worked. But there is a functionality is available, hundreds of data sources. We can able to connect it using Power BI. There is no limits. You name the data source, mostly we'll able to connect to the data source. Why Power BI means there are n number of reasons. We're able to develop the visualization in minutes. In minutes. In last class, we taken 3 tables and we developed the visualization we developed all together is 1 hour. We taken within 1 hour, we are able to reach from database to app, we are able to reach it. Even though you people all are new audience, you don't know what is Power BI tool, what is Power BI desktop, still we are able to move on. So without you, I am doing that one means within 1 minute, I'm able to do that till app, I'm able to do it. Meaning, very easy to do it, very simple steps are available. Within minutes, you can able to develop the visualizations, you can able to develop it. And cost wise, if we compare Power BI cost and other BI tool, Tableau cost, if I compare, Power BI is cheaper than the Tableau. So we can go for cost wise, Power BI is the best. If you see the Power BI, there are 3 varieties of license that are available. Power BI Pro per user, it is 9.99, which is nothing but $10 cost. Power BI Premium per user, it is $20 cost. Power BI Premium per capacity, we have here $4,995 we have it. So most of the people will be happy with the Power BI Pro. So as long as you are happy with the Power BI Pro, we'll not look for this kind of things. When we'll go for Power BI Premium is if you want to go for AI capabilities. If you see mainly, you can notice this is the place where you have to go for it. If you want to go for advanced AI, like text analytics, image analytics, automate machine learning, if you want to do, then only you needed the premium things required. If you are going for from BI to AI, you are going means, of course, you need to invest more amount, you have to invest it. So you are ready for that one, you are doing it. That's it. So that means normal other reporting tools, whatever they are doing the job, those all jobs I can do using Power BI Pro. More than other reporting tools like AI, you want to do it, like text analytics, image analytics, you want to do it, machine learning, you want to do it. Those all things can be possible by getting the premium license. You can see this table has very clear information. What is the feature in the Power BI Pro, it is available or not. In the Power BI Premium per user, it is available or not. In the Power BI Premium per capacity, it is available or not. The given clear diagram they given. Anyhow, we are going to explain this one more detailed level in the later point of time. Now, unify self-service and enterprise analytics. So, self-service meaning once you develop the model, once I publish into the Power BI service, our business people also can able to drag and drop and they can develop their own reports, they can able to develop it. That is the reason it's called as self-service analytics. End users, business users also can able to drag and drop and can develop it. That much of simple interface we have it. Now, accelerates big data preparation with Azure. It is tightly integrated with the Azure. That is the reason we can do any data preparations very easily. We can do it. And as you see now, AI also integrated. Once you completed, you are familiar with the business intelligence. Next, you want to know more information about the AI and you want to grow your career path in the AI means you do not run here and there. Here only we have the AI also. You need to know how to integrate the AI capabilities with our Power BI. We need to know. That's it. And this came based from Excel. As long as you know Excel, we are good with the Power BI because Excel and Power BI both are one and same. Both are one and same. In Excel, whatever functions are working, same functions will work in the Power BI 90% of the times. Now turn insights into actions. Whatever we develop the report, meaningful information report, from that we are going to get the required information. From that required information, we are going to take a action. This is beautiful option, stream analytics in real time. So live information using developing the reporting is very good option, a very good option. For example, let us go and try to see one diagram. They give an excellent diagram. I would like to show the diagram. This is test analytics. This is unparalleled Excel interpretation. I want to go for stream analytics. Yeah, this is the stream analytics, whatever we have it. You can notice the vehicles are moving on the live, it is moving. Whenever they are moving on the live, we're also getting the updates in the graph or in the table, we are getting the updates. If you get like that, that's what called as stream analytics, live data, real-time data. Immediately we're able to capture and show in the reports, we're able to show it. Something we have Uber data or some other cabs data, if you want to automate it, you can able to automate it, and you can see the speed is what, okay, and fare revenue is what, something like that. Sorry, not the speed, shade it is. Shade, premium, regular, how many things are going at this point of time, live data we can able to get here. Right. Now, so next is available, do you know Power BI products? First, let us try to refer till here. We learned about very basic things. Why Power BI? Power BI is useful to convert raw data into meaningful information. Using meaningful information, we can drive our business in a profitable way. Now we know few BI tools, and also we saw two reports, Gartner and Forrester reports. Both the places our Power BI is the best in the market. And what is Power BI? You know, it's a business intelligence tool. Down the line, we can integrate AI also in this one. Then why Power BI means there are great features are available in the Power BI. That's what it is. We are going for it. Now, do you know Power BI products? This one we'll try to see in the next video. We'll try to see. Let's go through this one. Then we'll see this one next video.